Burger King hamburgers for 25 cents?
Here's to the best darn customers. You've all been great. After 25 years, it's time to celebrate.
Come celebrate our 25th anniversary
At Burger King, all day Sunday.
With 25-cent burgers.
because you've been so great. Come in and celebrate
With 25-cent burgers.
at Burger King.
Happy birthday, Burger King.
Hey guys, today Bobby and I decided we were going to go get some chicken sandwiches. We love chicken sandwiches, and we heard that Burger King has some brand new ones. They just got them in the stores a couple days ago. So we're going to drive across town and try them out, and you are coming with us. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
What's a Fanta? Mystery Fanta frozen drink. Might have to get one of those. Found another nice place here in town to have a picnic. Nice little stream running in front of the picnic tables. And we have some shade today. Won't be as hot as last time. Show you our spot. Bobby has the picnic table ready. So let's go find out how good these new chicken sandwiches are.
Okay, John, what's your drink today?
Got the mystery flavor. The mystery flavor today, you went inside, it told you what it was. Strawberry shortcake. Stir it up.
Now, I think every week it must be a different mystery
Must
drink.
be. It didn't know that. It's different that the strawberry shortcake is green, but probably the mystery flavor is going to be green every week. Here we go. $1. Doesn't it taste like a strawberry shortcake?
Does it?
Now it's kind of melting because we drove it over here.
Yeah.
So I didn't really get a lot of ice
And it's
in that.
hot today.
Nice flavor, but for $1, I would definitely get that again. Maybe go to your Burger King. Bobby?
I got
Classic.
classic Coke again. Mine's $1 too.
Yeah. I should have got this. I think you would have liked it. They are, guys. There's the spicy chicken one. Bobby got the barbecue. Now, these took the place of the chicken sandwich. Bobby and I never had one of those sandwiches.
I've never tried that one.
Do you want to know why they got rid of those?
Yeah, tell us why.
Okay. I was waiting for you to say why. Well, one reason, they were hard to make. We read about them. They came in, they were a frozen patty. They thawed it out, they hand breaded it. And sometimes they would get too much breading, not enough breading or whatever. And it's probably harder for the employees.
That would be, because you think this is fast food. Everybody wants something quick. So it would be hard to batter all those just the exact same way, I would think.
Yeah, it was more time consuming, cost more money and labor, and they just didn't get them right every time. So they had
I
to,
can see that.
and they spent a fortune developing those, so they brought these out. But something else about those I'm going to tell you. Another thing about the Chiking, it came out June 3rd of 2021, so they only lasted about a year. And Bobby, wait till you hear these numbers. 1,500 calories in one of those.
Wow, that's way too many calories.
149 grams of fat, yeah. And 4,755 milligrams of sodium.
Oh, I can see why they got rid of it.
But it was the most unhealthiest sandwich in the United States.
Well, we never tried one.
No, we didn't. So these are here to take their place and go up against Popeyes and KFC.
Now, these aren't going to have that many calories, right, John?
Nope, I will tell you in a second after we unwrap it how many calories yours had. All right, Bobby, let me tell you a little bit about that sandwich. Its name is the BK Southern Barbecue Royale Crispy Chicken. $5.99, 647 calories, not 1,500.
That's still a lot of calories.
It's gonna have a crispy white meat breast filet, southern spiced barbecue sauce,
See some of it there.
crispy bacon, melty American cheese, and a potato bun. Now let's take a look if we see it all. What we got?
There's the cheese, the barbecue sauce right there, the bacon, and it is nice and crisp. That's the way I like it. I don't like it
You
when
can
it's
see that it's nice
undercooked.
and crisp.
And tomatoes, and there's the chicken.
Let me see the bun. How's it looking? They also like to put that savory sauce on that too.
Yep.
Didn't say that was on it. I thought it was just barbecue sauce. Let's get us.
Now the wind wants to
The wind's gonna blow our
It'll blow
food
my hair.
away. Let's get a side shot of this. Well, the first thing I noticed, it's not as thick as the Popeyes or the KFC, and that is a frozen patty, where the other one was hand breaded. So try it out. All right, Bobby, what did you think about it?
With that first bite, I didn't think the chicken, even though it was frozen, tasted that bad. I got a little bit of the sauce, barbecue sauce. It was a little bit sweet at first, and then it got a little bit spicy, but not overly spicy.
It's a southern
Nothing that I
spice.
couldn't eat. Yeah. Got the bacon and the cheese. I like this sandwich.
Did you get a bite with the bacon? Could you taste the bacon in the bite? Take that bite right there. Do a second bite.
The bacon is done just the way I like it, crisp. So it gave it a little bit of a crunch to it.
Could you taste that savory sauce? Looks like, or mayonnaise or whatever's on the top of that.
I think everything just blends together.
More of the barbecue
for me.
sauce,
Yeah.
probably.
But I like this sandwich.
All right, guys, let's open up the spicy chicken. Get this back. Start off with the potato bun. Look how soft that is.
It's very soft. I liked it.
Now, you know the difference between a potato bun and a regular bun?
No, I do not.
Potato bun has more of a neutral flavor. It absorbs the sauces because it's like a potato. As it starches, it absorbs the sauces. Has a longer shelf life and melts in your mouth. Pull the potato bun off. Savory sauce in there. Some lettuce. A couple tomatoes. There's your patty. With this one has triple pepper spice glaze. And it's dripping all over the place.
Put a lot on there for you.
So this bun, like we were talking about, the potato bun, definitely should be soaking up all that glaze. It looks crispy. There's no cheese. The calorie count on this is 764. This one is 499. Before I bite into this, I forgot to say something about your sandwich. When I first read about your sandwich, it was supposed to have caramelized onions on it. How would that have been?
I like onions, but I don't know if I like them caramelized. I'd probably just rather have the onions.
Yeah, the articles I've read before these came out said that one had caramelized onions, but then when you looked them up online, they didn't have it.
I'm surprised that yours has more calories than mine because mine had cheese on it.
I know, that is surprising. But maybe this triple glaze must have a lot of
Could be.
stuff. So I'm about ready to bite into this. One more look before I tear into it. I'm gonna go at this angle, get tomato and everything, get all kind of that triple pepper glaze. First bite, little bit of bite to that. Should be triple pepper, but it's not. I would call it maybe a little above a mild. I might have Bobby try this. She's better at telling you what that is, but it's not gonna run you out of the building, even though it's triple pepper. It has the savory sauce. I couldn't taste any of that on there. Did get some of the tomato, kind of maybe cooled it down a little bit. The bun, definitely fresh. Liked it. So it's not bad. Now my chicken patty wasn't as big as yours, Bobby.
I know.
I mean, what was the deal with that?
I don't know. I'm watching this little dog here get in trouble. Sorry to interrupt you, John. But he keeps getting yelled at. He wants to lay in the water.
Maybe he's fishing.
He's just relaxing. I think he's cooling off. There he goes. Sorry, John. I was just fascinated by that pretty dog.
Oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna try Bobby's. Going right in the middle of it. Not too bad. I like the bacon in there. I got a lot of bacon in that bite. Can taste a little bit of the barbecue sauce. That one for me, I got more of that savory, like mayonnaise or whatever sauce it was instead of the barbecue sauce. But it's not bad. After trying them both, I like the spicy one better.
Okay, we'll see which one I like better.
There she goes. I think.
Well, I'm definitely not getting this one. It's too spicy for me.
Okay, so you're definitely going with the first one. Now there are two other ones out there, and I'll tell you what those are here in 1 second. Now the other two they make that we could have got, we have the original one with just the savory sauce and the chicken, the lettuce, tomato. Then they also have a bacon and Swiss one with no barbecue sauce and the savory sauce. Which one do you think?
I think I'd rather have this one.
That'd still be your pick.
The American cheese.
You got 4 choices, guys, if you're interested at Burger King. Guys, we didn't get any French fries. We got this instead for a
Found
side.
these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. There's some neat stuff in there. I remember eating these as a kid. Do you, John?
I loved them
They
as a
used
kid.
to come in a can and you pull back the lid.
Yeah, but we never saw them as sour cream and onion. And I read about this company. It's on the front of that. Since 1930, they've been around, and they are union workers, and they're still around today making this stuff. So it should be pretty good. There they are down in there.
Nice and crunchy.
Let me get one. Sour cream and onion.
Sour cream. Yep. I like these.
Those are pretty good. And we told you guys in the last video, you never know what you can find at the Dollar Tree, even though we're going to say it again in this one. If you didn't watch the last one, not $1 anymore. It's $1.25, but those are worth $1.25.
They're nice and fresh, aren't they?
They're fresh. What do you think compared to the original? Like that with the sour cream or just plain old original?
I could eat them either way. I mean, I like sour cream, so it's good for me.
So there's a little item, guys, that you might want to pick up at your Dollar Tree. Before we end this video, I gotta ask Bobby something. Do you like this one better than the original chicken sandwich from Burger King?
I do. I always get the original when we do come, but we don't come to Burger King very often at all. But it's $1.50 more, but you gotta look that they had the lettuce, tomatoes, and bacon, and the cheese on it. So it's up to you if you want to pay $1.50 more for the sandwich.
All right, now we're gonna break it all down in the ending. Let's take a look at our receipt. You can't hardly see it. You see Bobby's sandwich at $5.99. Mine printed up there in the black area for $4.99. Had the frozen drink for $1. $12.82. Here's a quick look at the prices and all 4 options with combos. Well, what did you think about the BK Royale chicken lineup, Bobby?
I didn't think it was too bad. I did like that potato bun. It was nice and fresh. Now the chicken was frozen, you know, frozen chicken patty. I like the barbecue sauce that they put on it. Bacon was nice and crisp. But now that was $6 just for the sandwich, nothing else.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that here in just 1 second. Mine had a nice spice. Bobby thought it was way too spicy for her. It was triple glazed, had a nice glaze. The chicken patty itself wasn't overly big on mine. Bobby's was bigger. Was decent. Would I get it again? You know, if I was at Burger King and I didn't want a Whopper, I would. But if I was going looking for a chicken sandwich, no. We go to Popeyes and KFC, and their chicken is just so much better than the Burger King.
And I do believe they are hand
battered. They're hand breaded, so they taste better. They're cheaper. They're $4.49. Like Bobby's was $5.99, but theirs don't come with all that. The Burger King one was $4.99, so it's 50 cents less. And overall, Burger King, you know, you got rid of your last sandwich, which we never tried.
Never tried.
I don't think this one's going to compete with these other 2 that we mentioned.
Now we showed you what both of the sandwiches look like and how much they cost. So it's up to you whether you want to spend that much on them or not. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again, J&B have left the building. I'm back for a quick disclaimer before anybody floods the comment box like, John, you said Royale, it's Royal. I don't know which way Burger King wants you to say it, but I'm a fan of Pulp Fiction, so I'm gonna say Royale. Thank you.
And you know what they call a quarter pounder with cheese in Paris?
They don't call it a quarter pounder with cheese? And what do they call it?
They call it Royale with cheese.
Royale with cheese.
That's right.
Hey, look who's working at Burger King. My former magician. His tricks never worked. Magician, make me a Whopper.
Make you a Whopper? Okay. You're a Whopper.
No, I mean, give me a Whopper. Phew. Now make me a vanilla shake.
You're a vanilla shake.
Hey, you made me a bag of French fries.
Nobody's perfect.
Burger King, where kids are king.